Hi guys! For today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay micro-flash snippers. Edsyn KP101. So guys, ito siya. Ang ating Edsyn KP101. So what is the use of micro-flash snippers Edsyn KP101? Micro-nippers, hobby tool E101 are similar types of micro-flash cutters. But here's what the Edsyn KP101 micro-flash snippers specifically are and what they're used for. What it is. The Edsyn KP101 is a micro-flash snipper or cutter. A small handheld cutting tool with precision edges designed for very fine cutting tasks. It's typically about 126mm, 5-inch long. What it's used for. Micro-flash snippers like the KP101 are most commonly used for number 1. Trimming wire leads and component leads on electronic boards after soldering, so they sit flush with the surface. Flush cutting leaves a flat finish with minimal protruding metal, which is important in tight circuits. Number 2. Cutting small wires. Soft copper or similar in electronic assembly or repair work. Number 3. Precision work in electronics. Hobbies like model building, jewelry making, or other tasks where accurate, clean cuts in small parts are needed. Similar micro-flash cutters are specifically described for such PCB and delicate work. Key feature. The flash cutting action means the blades are designed to cut very close to the surface without leaving a sharp stub, which helps with both performance and safety in electronics work. So guys, ito ang ating micro-flash snippers Edsyn KP101. So, ito ang kanyang actual. Guys. Focus in. Ayan siya guys. Yan ang ating micro-flash snippers. 126mm. So guys, ayun lang. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.